In a tumultuous market where stocks have faced significant challenges, it's essential to identify opportunities that can potentially boost your portfolio's performance. Today, we're diving into the world of undervalued dividend stocks, a category of stocks that offer both attractive dividends and long-term growth potential. While the broader market may have experienced its share of struggles in recent years, there are still diamonds in the rough. In this video, we'll uncover 5 such undervalued dividend stocks for 2023 that have caught our attention. It's no secret that the stock market downturn, coupled with concerns of impending recession and rate hikes, has left many investors feeling anxious. However, it's precisely during times like these that great opportunities can emerge. By focusing on undervalued dividend stocks, we aim to identify companies with solid balance sheets and a consistent history of dividend payouts. When it comes to dividend stocks, quality is paramount. We'll be exploring companies that not only offer steady dividends but also exhibit the potential for long-term growth. These stocks can provide a reliable source of passive income while positioning your portfolio for future gains. Don't let market turbulence discourage you, and let's explore these undervalued dividend stocks together and uncover the hidden gems within the stock market. Let's get started. Emerson Electric, ticker EMR. Emerson Electric is a leading technology and engineering company with a strong presence in the market. With a market capitalization of $49.95 billion and a current share price of $87.41, Emerson Electric is an established player in the industry. The company has a rich dividend history, consistently rewarding its shareholders over the years. In 2023, Emerson Electric paid dividends on June 9 and March 10, with amounts of 52 cents each. In 2022, the company paid dividends on December 9, September 9, June 10, and March 10, with amounts ranging from $0.515 to 52 cents. Similarly, in 2021 and 2020, Emerson Electric continued its dividend payouts with consistency, offering amounts ranging from $0.505 to 52 cents. Emerson Electric's commitment to shareholder value is evident through its consistent dividend payments. Investors can appreciate the company's track record of providing reliable income through dividends, making it an attractive option for dividend-focused investors. With its strong position in the technology and engineering sector, Emerson Electric represents an intriguing opportunity for those seeking a combination of long-term growth potential and consistent dividends. Wendys Company, ticker WEN. Wendys Company is a prominent player in the restaurant industry, operating in the consumer discretionary sector. With a market capitalization of $4.74 billion and a share price of $22.47, Wendys has established a strong presence in the market. When it comes to dividends, Wendys has a history of consistent payouts to its shareholders. On May 31, 2023, Wendys paid a dividend of $0.250 per share, followed by another payout of the same amount on February 28, 2023. In 2022, the company paid dividends on November 30, August 31, May 31, and March 4, with amounts ranging from $0.125 to $0.250. Similarly, in 2021 and 2020, Wendys continued its dividend payments, ranging from $0.090 to $0.250. In previous years, such as 2019 and 2018, Wendys consistently provided dividend payouts ranging from $0.055 to $0.120. The company has shown a commitment to rewarding its shareholders with consistent and increasing dividends over time. With its strong presence in the restaurant industry and a history of dividend payments, Wendys offers investors an opportunity to benefit from both capital appreciation and regular dividend income. The company's consistent dividend track record, coupled with its market position, makes Wendys an attractive choice for investors looking for stability and potential growth in the consumer discretionary sector. Fortis, ticker FTS. Fortis is a renowned company in the utilities sector, specifically in the regulated utilities industry. With a market capitalization of $27.47 billion and a share price of $56.41, Fortis holds a significant position in the market. When it comes to dividends, Fortis has a consistent track record of providing regular payouts to its shareholders. On February 7, 2023, Fortis declared a dividend of $0.565 per share. In 2022, the company declared dividends on November, July, and February. with amounts ranging from $0.535 to $0.565. Similarly, in 2021, Fortis consistently declared dividend payments ranging from $0.505 to $0.535. This trend extends further back, with regular dividends declared between 2017 and 2019, ranging from 40 cents to $0.4775. Fortis' dividend history reflects its commitment to providing consistent and increasing payouts to shareholders over time. This, coupled with its strong position in the utilities sector, makes Fortis an attractive choice for investors seeking stability and potential income from dividends. Bank of Montreal, ticker BMO. Bank of Montreal is a prominent bank listed on the New York Stock Exchange. With a market capitalization of $64.34 billion and a share price of $90.21, Bank of Montreal is a substantial player in the banking industry. On April 27, 2023, Bank of Montreal declared a dividend of $1.43 per share, which is a quarterly dividend payout. This dividend had a yield of 6.4% at the time of declaration. Prior to this, on October 31, 2022, the bank declared a dividend of $1.39 per share, also a quarterly payout, with a yield of 6%. In 2022, Bank of Montreal declared dividends on April 29 and January 31, with amounts of $1.33 per share and a yield of 5% and 4.7% respectively. The bank also increased its dividend by 25.5% between the January and April payouts. Similarly, in 2021 and 2020, Bank of Montreal consistently declared quarterly dividends, ranging from 70 cents to $1.33 per share. The bank showed modest increases in dividend payouts over time, indicating a commitment to shareholder returns. Bank of Montreal's dividend history demonstrates its dedication to rewarding shareholders through regular dividend payments. BCE, ticker BCE. BCE is a leading telecommunications and media company listed on the NYSE. With a market capitalization of $50.12 billion and a share price of $62.34, BCE holds a significant position in the industry. On March and June 2023, BCE declared a quarterly dividend of 73 cents per share, reflecting its commitment to providing consistent returns to shareholders. This dividend had a yield of 5.4% at the time of declaration. In 2022, BCE declared dividends on December, September, June and March of 70 cents per share and yields between 5.1% and 5.4%. The company demonstrated stability and incremental growth in its dividend payouts over the course of the year. Similarly, in 2021, BCE consistently declared quarterly dividends, with amounts ranging from 68 cents to 71 cents per share. The company showcased its commitment to enhancing shareholder value by steadily increasing dividend payouts. BCE's dividend history underscores its dedication to rewarding shareholders through regular dividend payments. That's it, we have explored the fascinating world of undervalued dividend stocks and uncovered 5 top picks for 2023. Investing in these stocks can provide you with a unique opportunity to not only earn steady dividends but also position your portfolio for long-term growth. While the market may be facing challenges, it's during times like these that hidden gems can emerge. Remember, when it comes to dividend stocks, quality is key. The companies we have discussed today not only offer attractive dividends but also exhibit strong financials, growth potential, and a consistent track record of dividend payouts. By investing in undervalued dividend stocks, you can potentially benefit from a reliable source of passive income while setting yourself up for future gains. As we conclude this video, we encourage you to conduct further research and consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance. The stock market is ever-changing, and it's important to stay informed and adapt your investment strategy accordingly. Additionally, we recommend consulting with a financial advisor or professional to ensure your investment decisions align with your unique financial situation. We hope you found this video insightful and informative, and that it has provided you with valuable insights into the world of undervalued dividend stocks. Remember, investing requires patience and a long-term perspective. Keep a close eye on these companies, stay engaged with market trends, and be prepared to seize opportunities as they arise. Thank you for joining us on this journey to uncover the top 5 undervalued dividend stocks to buy in 2023. We appreciate your support and engagement. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them below. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and together, let's navigate the stock market and build a brighter financial future.